Hi guys, and welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. So every single day for the next 24 days I'm going to give you some inspiration on what to sew for Christmas. And today is a cutlery holder for your table. So I have all of my pieces cut here and I have my variegated thread ready because I am going to free motion quilt a couple of pieces. Okay, feed dogs are dropped, variegated thread is in, and I have the hopping foot on, so let's go. This piece I've designated for the back with the free motion on it, and then this piece I've designated for the front. So I'm just going to start piecing everything together now. So I'm just going to sew my pocket portion. I'm just going to top stitch everybody down so they're in place. I've also put that variegated thread back in my machine. I've created this binding strip and I'm just going to attach it in place using a decorative stitch on my machine. And this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, eh? Now I'm going to attach my front piece to my back piece. And I'm going to wonder clip everything together, and I'm going to leave an opening once again so I can turn right sides out. When you're sewing this down, you just want to make sure that you're sewing everybody in place, especially where that pocket is. Once you have everybody turned right sides out, top stitch all the way around your project and you're nearly finished. I only did my top stitching around the top here, and here we have one cutlery holder for our table at Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed watching this daily inspiration, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.